Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best replacement pitcher water filters is probably one of the most important appliances in any home, as it ensures clean and safe drinking water for you and your family. Today, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 best water filters on the market. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best water filter we choose for you. Number 5. Enjoy up to 15 gallons of pure tasting water before needing to replace the filter based on water quality. Remove all total dissolved solids for the purest water taste, with organic and inorganic materials eliminated. Certified to reduce harmful substances like PFOA, PFOS, lead, chromium, and mercury. Plus, all materials are BPA-free. Get 6 ZeroWater 5-stage filters with ion exchange technology for continuous access to clean water. Make an eco-friendly choice by saving up to 110 single-use plastic bottles per filter, helping reduce plastic waste. What we like. If you are looking for the purest tasting water, you should consider this. With its 5-stage filtration system, it removes virtually all total dissolved solids, TDS, for the cleanest water. Plus, it's IAPMO certified to reduce PFOA, PFOS, lead, chromium, and mercury. And if you like to be eco-friendly, this filter can save up to 110 single-use plastic bottles per filter, or up to 60 bottles a year. What people say.
This product is great. Water comes out clean and tasting good. Researched several water filtering products. This one was one of the two that came out on top for giving the cleanest water, and it cost a fraction of the other one. Damn goodbye. I love the flavor of the water, but I wish they would last a little longer and the price could be lowered to be more affordable.
Number 4. Easily attach the Brita water filter to your standard faucet for healthier and great tasting tap water. No tools required for installation. Switching to Brita can save you money and replace up to 1,800 single-use plastic water bottles per year, providing great tasting water without the waste. Enjoy a space-efficient design with a choice of filtered or unfiltered water in white or chrome color. The filter reduces lead, chlorine, asbestos, and more for cleaner water. The status indicator alerts you when it's time to replace the filter with a simple one-click process. Replace every 100 gallons or approximately every 4 months to maintain great tasting water. Designed to fit standard faucets, this Brita filter does not work with pull-out or spray-style faucets. Keep your water tasting fresh and clean with this easy-to-use filtration system. What we like. If you have a standard faucet and want healthier, great-tasting water, this is the one for you. Its space-efficient design provides a choice of filtered or unfiltered water. It's also equipped with a filter change reminder, making it easy to know when to replace the filter. And by switching to this filter, you can save money and replace up to 1,800 single-use plastic water bottles per year. What people say.
I cannot say enough positive things about the Brita water filter for sink faucet mount water filtration system. This product has truly exceeded my expectations in every way, and I'm thrilled to give it a well-deserved 5-star rating. I see a lot of people complaining about this product, but when you look at their videos you can tell they didn't install correctly or they have sediment in the screen before it even gets to filter. Come on PPL. If you don't know what you're doing, pay someone that does. Works great when installed correctly.
Number 3. Enjoy cleaner, better tasting water with Brita standard water filters for your Brita system. Say goodbye to chlorine taste and odor, as well as copper, cadmium, and mercury impurities. Make a difference by cutting down on single-use plastic bottles with Brita filters. No pre-soaking needed. Simply install the filter quickly into your Brita pitcher or dispenser. Each filter lasts up to 2 months or 40 gallons, ensuring clean water for longer. What we like. If you're looking for a convenient and sustainable water filter, this is the one for you. With each filter, you can replace up to 1,800 standard 16.90 in single-use plastic water bottles. It lasts up to 2 months or 40 gallons, and it fits all Brita pitchers and dispensers, except Stream. Make the switch to this filter and enjoy great tasting, healthier drinking water. What people say.
The flavor of the water is great and very refreshing. They last a long time and a good value. The Brita standard water filter is an essential addition to any eco-conscious kitchen. With its BPA-free design and the ability to replace up to 1,800 plastic water bottles a year, this filter is a game-changer for reducing waste and enjoying clean, refreshing water. Each filter lasts for 2 months or 40 gallons, providing peace of mind and convenience. I appreciate the included 6 filters, ensuring that I always have a fresh one on hand. Plus, the taste of the water is noticeably improved, making hydration a pleasure. Investing in this kitchen essential is not only good for the planet but also for my health and wallet in the long run. Value for money and fits the description. Easy to use and filters water for drinking.
Number 2. The water filter pitcher cuts the taste and odor of chlorine and reduces copper, cadmium, and mercury impurities. Switching to this water pitcher with filter helps save money and eliminate up to 1-800 single-use plastic water bottles annually. The easy fill locking lid prevents spills and makes pouring and refilling effortless. The Smart Light Filter Indicator alerts you when it's time to change the filter for the best results. This water filtration pitcher comes with one filter, recommended to be changed every 40 gallons or around every 2 months. What we like? If you need a compact and user-friendly water filter, this is the one for you. With its small 6-cup capacity, it's perfect for smaller households. It's easy to use with its easy fill locking lid and pouring spout. Plus, it features an electronic smart light filter indicator that lets you know when it's time to change the filter. Say goodbye to single-use plastic water bottles and hello to great-tasting tap water. What people say.
Water pours out smoothly, filter is easy to install, water tastes great, and my child loved being able to pick from the variety of colors to purchase one in a color she liked. Size is perfect for a child to use for independence and adult to pour a full glass of water as well. Nice pitcher and it doesn't take much space in my tight kitchen. The pitcher is strong, not flimsy, as it has been reported to be. It is attractive when left on the counter. It is easy to fill, you just open the top, and gently hold it open for a second, and it will stay open. The water filters fast.
Number 1. Experience cleaner, better tasting drinking water with the PUR Plus Faucet Filter. Reduce 70 chemical and physical substances, including lead, with the only faucet filter brand certified by WQA and NSF. Enjoy quick, one-click, tool-free installation with an on-off lever for easy access to filtered water whenever you need it. Stay informed with the filter change light that notifies you when it's time to replace the genuine PUR Plus Faucet Mount Water Filter, certified to last for up to 100 gallons or 3 months of regular use. Compatible with most standard faucets, the PUR Plus Faucet Filter allows you to enjoy cleaner, mineral water directly from your tap. Save up to $30 a week with this cost-effective filtration solution. PUR has been the #1 selling brand in faucet filtration for over 35 years, trusted for its rigorous water filtration standards and certifications. Keep your system clean with a damp sponge or soft cloth, avoiding damage from using harsh cleaners. What we like. If you're looking for a powerful water filtration system, this is the one for you. It's certified to reduce 70 chemical and physical substances, including lead, and it can also reduce microplastics commonly found in tap water. Installation is quick and easy with its one-click, tool-free installation. With the genuine PUR Plus Faucet Mount Water Filter, you can enjoy cleaner, mineral water directly from your tap. What people say.
Easy to install. We had a previous model that needed replaced. It was shiny metal finish. This one looks much nicer and gets way less scuffed up from daily use. Changing filters is easy, and the included filter means you're ready for good drinking water right from the gate. Just remember to flush new filters for 5 minutes after you install them. I have not had a problem with this filtration system since I purchased it 10/2023. It's cost efficient, works really well, was easy to install, it swivels, easy to put system on, it snaps in place, easy to take off, with the push of a button, and easy to change the filter. Turn the top of the filter counterclockwise. Until released, the water tastes great. And there is a light indicator that blinks green each time filter water is used. It will flash red when the filter needs to be changed. How ironic is this? As I was shooting this video, it was flashing red, so I changed the filter and then reshot the video. Sorry, wasn't thinking to keep both videos. Take me at my word, when the filter needs to be changed, it flashes red. I wish I had started with this system. Instead, I took a different route and purchased a whole new systems of the same brand every 2 to 3 months for several years because they would drip so bad on the filtered side when not in use. I believe that was the better brand, but it wasn't. The PUR Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System is the best and I highly recommend it. Was easy to install and works great and the water seems very pure and clean. Would recommend this.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.